So I got a Grom. I traded the Apollo dirt bike that I had built for a 2020 Grom, and I'm excited to start building it. So that's kind of the focus where I'm going to change direction on the channel. After COVID hit, it was kind of hard to do drift car stuff efficiently, and as you see in my previous videos on this channel, that I was pretty budget friendly in the drift community as far as building my car. And after I put the V8 in, costs to run the car kind of went through the roof, more so than I could afford comfortably. So I've always had a passion for bikes, and I've never had a street bike before, and I'm excited to start building it. So that's kind of the focus where I'm going to change direction on the channel. So the first thing I did on this bike was took off the turn signals. One was broken, the bike kind of was laid down a little bit, so I pulled the headlight bezel off and then all the other plastics. I wrapped the bike, as you can see. I got these flush turn signals and I mounted them to the headlight, and it required, I wanted to use the factory plug, so I just cut the factory plug off the factory lights, wired it into the aftermarket light. There's also the relay for the new LED turn signals. Since the old signals were bulbs, the new turn signals are LEDs. There's a different resistance to actually make them blink. So you have to order a special LED relay that actually just plugs in, sits right in the factory spot, so it's not much modification needed there. All these parts I'm going to put on, most of them are going to be budget friendly. Of course, that's my style. So all the links to everything that I include in the videos, I'll put the links down in the description. So if you guys kind of want to build along, you'll be able to buy those parts. I don't have any affiliate anything set up, no affiliate marketing, so this is just so you guys can get the information and put the same parts on your bike if you like them. I'll give my personal opinion, but you know, it's up to the rider themselves to make their opinion. So links in the description. Comment if you like this stuff, and subscribe if you want to follow along with the builds. So see you guys soon. Bye.